So in today's tutorial we will learn about the jQuery tabs. It's if you go on jQueryui.com/tabs, this is the tabs page. So these are the tabs. This is what we want to achieve. So you can look at the sample code, but it will be easy for you to follow this tutorial here. So this is a sample HTML page with just jQuery main handler function setup and the body. So for the tabs, it's very simple. You just have to make a div and ID it or class it, whatever. So ID it tabs. Then you need an unordered list which have like allies, and in allies you have anchor tag which is like hash tab dash 1, that is ID tab 1, and the tab's name whatever it is, general. So similarly we will make this and this, and do about, and then the contact us is the 3. So that is it. And note, you just have to make the divs with these IDs and just have to put some whatever you want to put the content on that. That is div ID is equal to tab dash 1, hello, this is general tab, then make like tab 2, tab 3, this is about tab, and this is contact us tabs tab. So that is it. You should in fact, after making these, you have to put tabs function on this. In this document ready function of the jQuery, you just need to do this, make a selector with the ID tabs, and then the tabs. That is it. You should now make it all the tabs. Here is our page for tabs.html. If I refresh, your tabs are ready. And then you can resize all these things. That is very simple. You just need to put the CSS. I will just embed it here, but you can dot tabs are hash tabs width 300 px and height 100 px. So let's refresh. Let's see what happened. This is very less, like let's see, 600. Yeah, and I should be like 800, so it looks better here. So this is it. So this is very simple. You just need to make a div with certain ID, or you can make it class 2 class tabs. Then you will only have to refer it by class CSS selector dot tabs. So you should work that way too. Here it is. but style is gone away because we had put it on the ID tabs, but ID tag no more exists. So yeah, and I will try to share this code as well. So the basic setup is just this one, and here is the tabs code. You just need an unordered list in which you need anchor tags, and in which you are referencing by ID hash tab1, that is this one, this one, and this one, and use so you have to make those divs, and at the end of it you just need to refer this here and have to call the tabs function. That is it. It is so simple. But and the content, you can add anything in here, images or anything, as you do normally. So this is it. See you in the next one. Subscribe please.